Good morning, everybody. So it's been a little while since you've seen me, and I thought I'd do a little pop-in this morning before my Watch Me Wednesday this afternoon. I wanted to show you the Quilty box that I am the designer for this month, and I wanted to do an unboxing. I haven't opened it yet, so I wanted to I wanted you to see what is actually in the box so that you can be prepared for my tutorial at 1:30 this afternoon. I know a lot of you have received the Quilty box this past week, and a lot of you are asking if you can still get it too. I talked to Quilty box yesterday, and they said yes, you can order just this box, but you have to email them, and I put the email above me. It's support@quiltybox.com. So after I unbox this and you see what's inside, if you still want one, you can get this, and you can also get the English paper piecing version too, which also contains my fabric. So I want to show you what's inside here before I do my Watch Me Wednesday this afternoon. So good morning, everybody. Welcome on in. So let's do it. You guys want to see? Raise your hands or give me a thumbs up if you want to see what's in the box. And we'll get right to it. I'm going to turn the camera down a little bit so you can see me opening the box up. And also, by the way, here I've got a few blocks all prepped and ready for the tutorial this afternoon. So, you ready? Let's turn this camera down so you can see the box, and then let's get to it. I'm so excited about this box because it has my Mandala Magic fabric contained in it. So here's the box. This is what it comes. It's kind of like a little shoe box. And then it comes all nice and wrapped up. And you get this little magazine, and there is my quilt that I designed for you. So you will get in this box, which I do know this, you'll get all my Mandala Magic fabric in there with the exception of the background white. So you can pair it up with whatever color background you want. So you open up this little magazine and it gives you a little message from Jake. It also gives you a close-up picture. It tells you exactly what's in your box. So you've got the fabric bundle, you've got a ruler that I designed that's in the box. You've got a scissors, a little bit of soak, which is to wash your fabric with, and wonderful thread. So Betty, you don't have to order the English paper piecing box. This is not an English paper piecing box. So there are two Quilty boxes. This one is not English paper pieced. This one is regular piecing, and there is another box that is also English paper pieced. So there are two boxes, one regular pieced, one English paper pieced. This is the one you want if you don't want to do English paper piecing. Then when you go in farther, it shows you what's in your, if you get the English paper pieced box, this is what you'll find inside the English paper pieced box. And there's me, and then they did an interview with me. So if you want to learn a little bit more about me, they asked me some questions, which I answered, so you can read a little bit more about me. And here is your pattern for the quilt. And I give you specific instructions on how much of each of your fabrics that are supplied to you, how much is in there, and how you have to cut, and then how you put them together. How you put the quilt together. So you get that all in the magazine. This is, if you order the English paper piecing box, this is the quilt that you will be making with that box. And they give you detailed instructions on how to make that quilt. I actually will be getting the English paper piecing box. It's coming soon. So here is another table runner that was designed with my fabrics by Jenny Baker. So this is an extra little add-on if you want to make, and then it gives you a subscriber spotlight. So this is one of the Quilty box subscribers, so somebody like you, and they do a little interview. And then next month is Natalie Barnes in the Quilty box. Okay, So what you've been waiting to see, let's check it out, okay? So in the Quilty box, this all comes wrapped in tissue. Here's my fabric, and here's the little soak to wash your fabric in. And then you get a big scissors. The big scissors will come in the box. Here is the little pamphlet about the soak and how to use it, okay? So that comes with that. This is the little ruler that I designed that you'll be using to make the quilt that I designed. And this is what I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on today with the quarter square triangles on my Watch Me Wednesday at 1:30 Mountain Standard Time, Arizona. That would be 4:30 Eastern Daylight Time. So you can catch me on my Canton Village Quiltworks page. And then look, here's your bundle. Oh, wait. Oh, one more thing. That's right. The thread. And there's some great purple thread that was also included in the box so that you can either quilt or piece. And then you get the my Mandala Magic fabric bundle in the Quilty box. So let's open this up so you can see which fabrics are in here. Obviously, they are fabrics that are, I'm having trouble opening it. The fabrics that are included in the quilt that I designed for you. Okay, and I love my fabrics. And by the way, if you need extra yardage or backing, it's all available on my site, so you can go ahead and do that. So this is the first fabric. There's the most of this fabric because I use it mostly, or a lot of this one, in the border of the quilt, as you can see. So there's that fabric, and then there's this fabric. These are all little elements of the mandalas that I designed for the fabric line. This one, which is probably my favorite, and I've gotten a lot of people have said, oh my gosh, it looks like COVID. Well, I designed this 2 years ago, so I had no clue COVID was coming around. This is probably one of my favorites, and I actually have that in all of these fabrics I'm showing you are in several different colorways, so if you go on my website, you can take a look at the fabric and check it out. Then the black that's in the quilt, and then this green apple color of the mandalas, and then here's the other colorway, which I absolutely love, the purple and green, and then some more mandalas, which you can fussy cut, by the way, and then the great little triangle with some mandala elements in there, and you can see there's one of those little COVIDs in there, or whatever you want to call it. I call it a splat or a circle star, and then this other, I call it fuchsia and pink. So those are the fabrics that come in the box to make this quilt. And actually, if you want to hang on one second, I actually have the quilt here. So I'm going to show you. Hang on a second. I'm coming right back. Okay, so let me turn the camera up so you can see. I'm going to stand a little farther away so that you can see, but here is the quilt. That is the actual quilt. The quilt's not large, so you can make this really in a weekend. It's really fun to make, and as you can see, there's the fabrics in the quilt. Okay, and I did a nice little label on the back, and the quilt is called Starburst. There's the label I did, so you can see. And so that is my Quilty box. So I'm glad you were able to join me for the unboxing of it, because that was kind of fun to do. And again, remember, this afternoon at 1:30 Mountain Standard Time, Arizona, 4:30 Eastern Daylight Time, I will be on my Canton Village Quiltworks Facebook page doing a little demo of how to use the template or ruler that I designed for the quarter square blocks, quarter square triangle blocks. So I hope you join me then. This was a little sneak peek. And remember, if you want to get the box, you still can. The email address is above me. If you're watching me here on Facebook, if you're watching me on YouTube, it's below me. It's support@quiltybox.com. You can order either the traditional pieced box or you can order the English paper piecing box. So that's it for now, and I'm off to do a little work before I come back to you later on my Watch Me Wednesday. So have a great day and hope to see you later. Happy quilting, everybody. Bye-bye.